This is a quick introductory video to the 2018 MRA Mission Data Portal. To get started, you'll need to first sign in. You can do this from any browser, and I typically sign in from www.arcgis.com. This is just a generic homepage for all of ArcGIS, and by clicking Sign In, you can sign in using your MRA credentials. This means you have a username, which has been assigned to you, and a password. If you're not sure what your username is, or have forgotten your password, please contact mramapping@gmail.com. Once you sign in, it should take you to the home page. This is the landing page for all of MRA's mapping capabilities. You can scroll down and click on the 2018 Mission Data Portal thumbnail, which will open the app, or you can click on the link here. When you do this, the first thing you'll notice is we've simplified the interface. We've also added a tab here for training videos, as we've gotten great feedback that people find these helpful. So we'll be adding training videos throughout the year. The next tab you'll see is Enter Data. Now this is a similar form as in past years, but this time we're using something called Survey 123. The main benefits of Survey 123 is within ArcGIS, it allows us to build smarter forms. So for instance, if I fill out my MRA team name, it already knows the MRA region I belong to. If I fill out questions like and answer yes to was this a mutual aid incident, I'll get more questions related to mutual aid. We'll dive into more details later, but that's one of the primary improvements to the Mission Data Portal this year. Secondly, you'll notice there's just one form. There's no more found form as a separate one. What will happen is if you answer type of incident is search here, you'll be prompted for lost person behavior related questions. You'll still have to plot the initial planning point, but this time you'll have a secondary set of questions about the missing person. You'll also have an option to add another map point for the point where they were found, if they were found. So this greatly simplifies and should speed up your data entry, and I think overall you'll find it a more enjoyable experience. The other part of this framework of Survey 123 is you can also use it as a native mobile application on your phone. I'll post it later, but you can scan this QR code on the screen, or I can send you a link. And you can actually open this app in the browser, in other words, using a website, or as the native app on your phone. Using it on your phone, you might find this is a better experience using the native app, and it also allows you to work offline, which means if you lose internet and you're working on a form, you can submit it later. More on that in future videos. Lastly, the data that you enter here will go into an app that's embedded in the Edit Data tab. Now within Edit Data, we're loading an application called MapSAR Online. This is a great improvement on top of the app that you were using last year to edit missions. This application will incorporate some of the improvements you've asked for, including more data. So there's information in here for live feeds of data that you can use to have more situational awareness, like live stream gauges, wildfire activity, and some of the National Weather Service forecasts. But the primary use for this app related to your mission data collection is simply to use the Edit widget. This is what you'll use to edit existing missions. It'll also allow you to delete missions if you've made a mistake or added one in error. We'll spend more time on this particular app later, but you'll be able to access it easily from the Edit Data tab right here. So as you get started with the platform, please let us know if you have any questions. Practice entering data into a form. You can always delete it if you make a mistake from the Edit Data tab. And please give us your feedback. This is based off, all the improvements you see here are based off of feedback you've provided, and we hope to continue the process for you to make it easier and help you with other parts of your search and rescue responsibilities. Thank you very much, and I look forward to hearing from you all soon.